Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Review Lab. Today I am going to talk in this video about best beer fridges that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Beer Fridges. Our top pick is the Danby DCR032C1 BSLD Compact Fridge and Freezer. It has a capacity of 3.2 cubic feet, is energy efficient, and is completely Energy Star compliant. The stainless steel exterior is resistant to handprints and smudging. There are so many good beer fridges available on the market. But there is a difference between a good beer fridge and the best beer fridge. Number 5. Nuaire AWD360DB Wine and Beverage Cooler. The front venting compressor system allows you to slide this beverage refrigerator under any standard height. 24 kitchen counter for a sleek, built-in look. Main features: insulated double-pane glass door, versatile removable shelves, French door design. Number 4. Fiestina 15-inch Beverage Cooler Refrigerator. Combining the beverage cooler properties and the temperatures of a refrigerator, this heaven-sent machine shouldn't be missing from your kitchen arsenal. Main features: digital memory temperature control, freestanding installation, higher energy efficiency. Number 3. Nuaire Beverage Refrigerator. Adjustable shelves allow you to hold nearly any combination of items. Pack it full of cans for a party, or make room for taller-sized cans and bottles, or a week's worth of juice boxes. Main features: 7 custom settings, removable storage racks, stainless steel design. Number 2. Nuaire Wine Cooler and Refrigerator. The fridge stores up to 18 bottles of wine at any time and includes 5 full-length sculpted chrome shelves that slide out to accommodate any type of collection. Main features: removable metal shelves, timeless stainless steel design, digital temperature display. Number 1. Danby Designer 3.2 cubic feet Compact Refrigerator. 1 full and 1/2 width wire shelves and fridge. It also comes with a can store dispenser and 2-liter bottle storage so you can keep your favorite beverages cold. Main features: integrated door handle, manual defrost system, mechanical thermostat. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.